redneckers. All right, YouTubes. We're heading out to air conditioner call for a restaurant. They're saying it doesn't feel like it's keeping up or it's not as cold as it should be. So let's get out here and take a look. Now I used to be able to park in the back here. I'm not sure if I still can or not. We're gonna have to check this out. But I used to have rear parking back here to the store. And I think I got a gate code. Yeah, we might be able to do something back here. Let's see what we're getting into here. There used to be a ladder right here. There it is. Boom. Let's see if we can pull this off. Yeah, right where it says no parking, I'm gonna park. Now we're talking. I'm gonna be that guy. Let's be that guy today. Okay, the thermostat is set at 71 degrees cooling. We are having a cool on call, and the room temperature is 76. At the thermostat, it looks like it's 76 in there. It feels pretty nice. It's set for 71. And the complaint is they don't think it's keeping up like it should. But I talked to the workers. They're actually comfortable in there. And I was told there's another roof hatch, yeah, back here. So I'm supposed to go through this one right here. We'll see if the combination I got works on this ladder. We'll get Mr. Tippins and some probes and we'll go have a little stroll up here on the roof. Look at Niners football season officially starts today. Right, training camp. So let's get up there. There's the first win. The combination worked. That's the first win of the day right there. Now lately I've been taking these things with me so I don't get locked out. Don't get locked off the roof because that's happened before. So I'm just gonna bring it with me in my pocket. Because I've gotten locked off a couple roofs lately. Dude, that's just a bummer when that happens. I ain't gonna lie. You get locked off the roof, it just sucks. So I'm taking the lock with me. So it's in my pocket. Let's get up there. We're heading that way. Let's go scope it out. What do you say, Tippins? Look at, they knew I was coming. Oh, Dave. Pretty sure these are all heat pumps. If I remember right. There's some beaters. Super old Linux, still live and ticking. We're gonna be working on this Bryant square one. Right there. Yep, there's a condensing unit for the walk-in box. There's an air conditioner. Water coming out. Look at this. Tippins, buddy. Oh, Tippy. You fell over and lost your guts. Check out that condensate drain. Galvy. Working. Let's get the probes on there. We'll treat it like we're space aliens and get some probes on there. All right, control and blower compartment right here. Fresh air intake. Let's check it out. Start out the return air. There's the filters. But let's see the VAP. Oh, it's not too super dirty at all. All right, cool. Like that, we're gonna get some probes in here. Supply, return, and then we'll gauge up on it also. She is low on charge. I was all iced up back there, so it's either low on charge or the plugged up pistons, but we're good. I just had to add a little bit of gas to it, and it's an old timer. Looks like someone put a new defrost board in there, probably in winter time. Oh, and a contactor. So it's had some maintenance done to it, but it's definitely low on charge, without a doubt. Now we're back to cooling. We got a ton more water coming out. And we can take another look at the screenshot on the measure quick. All right, so that one there, a little bit low on charge. I didn't even mention, you'll see in the video I switched over from MeasureQuick to the Fieldpiece app because I was trying to do screenshots, and they don't let you film screenshots on MeasureQuick anymore unless you have the premium. I don't have the premium. I don't do a lot of air conditioning calls. Dude, I got to get a root canal on Friday. What's today? Today's Tuesday. I have no idea when I'm going to post this video, but today's Tuesday. Friday I got to get the root canals as soon as they can get me in. You got to brush your teeth, kids. Jesus. That shit's smart. Oh, they found a fourth root in that tooth too, dude. So I totally got redneck hillbilly teeth too. How's that? Oh, it's awesome. Oh, man. But yeah, that one was just low on charge. As old as that unit is, I think it leaks in the evaporator. I'm not even going to check. It's been so long. We're going to get a game plan together for that unit. Probably come back, do a leak check at some point. I think I put gas in that unit before years ago. So it might have a small one. Leak, that is. and then get a game plan maybe for a unit change out. We'll see. But do me a favor and hit the like button. See if we could get the algorithm up for NorCal Refrigeration. It'd be kind of cool to see if we could get a bunch of like buttons. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Follow along the journey. Sometimes I have good videos and sometimes they're terrible. But I'm still posting them up there, and we'll see, you know, every once in a while there's a diamond in the rough. You know, I'm still working 2 jobs, so my brain's not thinking content creator. That's the absolute last thing on my mind, even though I still do it and I do it regularly. My number one commitment is my day job. Number two is the NorCal. And then making the videos is number three. So sometimes I film, sometimes I don't. If I can plan stuff for like a Saturday or Sunday morning, it's a lot easier to go, yeah, dude, I'll film this job. This will be cool. And then those videos come out a little bit better. But the after work videos is a little bit rougher. And that's it for that one. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Laters. I'm gonna go try and collect a check right now. You guys know how that is? Maybe I'll bring the camera in there. She always haggles me down on my price. Yeah, maybe I'll sneak the camera in there. I'll give it a try. Don't forget to put the lock back on the ladder. See, we got the ladder all re-secured. That's real important. You don't want to be driving down the road or get home tonight after driving and then find that lock in your pocket. That'd be a bummer. Not as much of a bummer as being locked on the roof. Being locked on the roof is more of a bummer, but getting home with that lock in your pocket's a bummer too. So that's just a little heads up there. Let's see what we're doing here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna pull in up here and check in on my way out real quick. We'll do a little check-in, and probably getting a lot more dehumidification in the building, and that's probably what they were complaining about, because that thing was low. That's usually what happens. Let's go in there and scope it. Almost to set point, so that thing's rocking. Feels so much nicer in there. It was 76 when we started. Set point's at 71. It's at 72 degrees in there right now. 71 set point is low, but up here where the we don't get super high ambient, so they're adjusted different to where 71 feels good on them. And that thing will reach set point without icing the coil, so it's a trip. So that one's good there. Let's go see if I can haggle a check out of this other customer. Okay, I get most of my watch time from non-subscribers, 58.8%, 41.3% from subscribers. If you could hit the subscribe button and help a brother out.